In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an away status on Slack. Whether you're stepping out for a meeting, taking a lunch break, or simply need some uninterrupted focus time, setting your status appropriately on Slack ensures your teammates know you're not immediately available. Let's dive into how you can quickly mark yourself as away on Slack. First, open up the Slack application on your computer or mobile device. You'll be greeted by your usual interface filled with your channels, direct messages, and of course, the familiar layout that helps keep your communication seamless. Once you've got Slack open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture. Your profile photo not only personalizes your work environment, but also serves as the gateway to your status settings. Click on your profile picture and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu provides various options to customize and manage your presence within the platform. Among these options, you'll find the handy status settings that we're interested in. Scroll through until you see the option labeled Set Yourself as Away. Selecting this option is straightforward, and doing so changes your status indicator from the default green dot, which signifies you're available, to an empty circle. This empty circle is a subtle yet effective way to visually communicate to your colleagues that you're currently away from your desk or unavailable for immediate responses. Now you might wonder why setting your status matters. Well, this feature plays a crucial role in managing expectations among your team members. It helps in reducing interruptions when you need to focus and keeps everyone informed about your availability without the need for direct communication. Plus, it adds a touch of professionalism by clearly defining when you're working and when you're offline or busy. But what if you've wrapped up your meeting or you're back from your break and ready to dive back in? Reverting your status to active is just as easy as setting it away. Simply click on your profile picture once more at the top right corner. You'll notice the drop-down menu popping up again with the same options we explored earlier. Find and select the Set Yourself as Active option, and just like that, your status indicator will switch back to the familiar green dot. This signals to your team that you're available once more, ready to tackle tasks, respond to messages, and participate in your workflow as usual. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to manage your away status on Slack. This feature might seem small, but it's these nuanced tools that make your communication clear and efficient, contributing to a more organized and mindful work environment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips to optimize your Slack experience.